this video, I'm going to do the kidney dissection. So this is a pig's kidney. So all the connective tissue has been removed, but what you can see this smooth outer covering. This is called the renal capsule. The medial indented area, which is where we would have the blood vessels, the ureter, the lymphatics and nerves all entering or leaving the kidney. This indented area is called the renal hilum. Now here, this is more than likely the ureter is covered with connective tissue. I'm not going to get into it, but the ureter would be in there. Now these kidneys have not been injected, so we're not going to see the vasculature very well. This is a coronal section of the kidney, but here we have, you can see the major areas. So you have the renal cortex, you can see this lighter area, and then the renal medulla. The renal medulla, where these dark structures are, the renal medulla is composed of these pyramid-like structures called the renal pyramids. So all of these together make up the renal medulla. Now, coming down, the cortex will dip down in between the renal pyramids, and those are called the renal columns. Then towards the center, now here, this is a two-dimensional, it's cut, so we're seeing a two-dimensional illustration of a three-dimensional structure. But towards the hilum here would be a basin-like area called the renal sinus. And this is where urine is going to be collected and then go into the ureter, which will then carry the urine to the urinary bladder. So on the kidney, the other structure, on the dissected kidney, the structures that you should be able to identify are, you can see on the renal pyramids, the tip of the pyramid is called the renal papilla, and it will empty into an area called the minor calyx. So where that renal papilla empties in, that's a minor calyx. So each area at the renal pyramid would be a minor calyx. And when you have multiple minor calyces merged together, that forms a major calyx. And then as we move towards the hilum, you would have the renal pelvis. And then from the renal pelvis, the urine would go into the ureter. Now I'm going to show you, or I'm going to have a different video showing those same structures on a model, so you can sort of relate them to this dissected kidney.